There's your problem.
Okay, well, we got the trailer all hooked up to D-White. It's always something with a Volkswagen.
Hot dog, Matt Jackson.
Today we go to rescue Old Spot. Old Spot needs our help.
Yep, Old Spot. Driving over from school, everything's great. And put it in gear, and then I have no gears.
Everything's great, and then it's not.
Yeah, that's you know what they call that?
VW Life.
VW Life.
So we got Martin.
We do. The Bearded Wonders here. Because we were going to work on. Well, we're still going to work on Seaside. We just have a little bit of a slight detour.
So join us today as we rescue Spot and work on a van.
There you go.
All right, Gary, you died in this intersection right here.
Yes, that's right where that white pickup is.
And then you just hopped out and pushed it yourself.
Hopped out, pushed it over there into the parking lot. As I was pushing it, I eyeballed me a parking spot.
So that's one thing with Volkswagens. You always gotta be looking for your escape plan.
You gotta have a way out. When it breaks down, where am I gonna park?
What's my next move?
It's a constant thought process. Yeah, I didn't want to leave it on the street. Somebody had to run into it. I could park in front of the handicap.
Yeah, stick it right there for right now. If someone wants us to move it, we'll move it.
All right, there's Old Spot.
There's Old Spot.
All right, we're gonna try first to push it, and that way we don't have to bust out the winch.
Well, let's make sure we're ramped good, Mark. Center on this side, you said?
Yeah, center on this side too. Hey, all right, we got it. All right.
That was easy. We're going pushing.
That was easy.
It's so much better when they're not buried in the dirt for 20 years.
Exactly.
We're not used to that. All right.
Great. Yep.
Good.
Yep.
How close is it there, Matt Jackson?
Yeah, you're a little close to the exit ramp. Should be fine.
You're gonna be good.
Yeah, just don't cut the wheel. Yeah, you're good. Let it go. Ah, damn it, Jay.
It works.
You hear crunching.
You think it's tranny?
Let's just take the wheel off. You're assuming that the splines on the brake drums have been...
Well, I don't know.
Well, okay, so let's say we're hoping that the splines on the brake drums are bad and have been wallered out, and all we need to do is replace the brake drums, and it's not transmission related.
Really in the backyard.
So if we can get this wheel off and see it spinning within the drum, we'll be good. And Tommy actually is bringing over a pair right now, so...
And so I'm sitting there drilling, and I'm like, man, this wood's burning a lot.
Oh, I don't think that's it.
Well, here, what's the other side look like? Are we high enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Get out from underneath it real quick.
All right. It's not spinning. It's a tram.
Something in the transmission broke. So the nose cone's good though, because it shifts great.
Gary, transmission.
Internal.
Internal. Worst case scenario.
Womp, 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 womp.
If you guys are new to the channel, I'll put a video to the day we got Spot right here. It's quite a story. But now Spot needs a little more loving.
Few moments later.
All right.
Oh,
Look at it. Tommy.
We're going to eat now? Yeah.
Good job, Tommy. Diagnosing. All four of us had the wrong answer.
Hey, will you get that plate out front there?
Why don't we fix this? It happens often when you when it spins a spline in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then you're limited slip action, transfers power.
He's only spun one drum, is that the case?
Most likely.
Yeah, because we checked the other one and it was fine.
Because it's spinning.
There's no resistance, so it gets all the.
Yeah.
Take this
The
and
other
put
side
that
just
on the
goes
ground
on there.
over there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Come here and look at this.
Oh, look at all the dust. Is that it?
Look.
I've never seen that.
These are
My mom's stuff.
All right, so we did determine that it does need drums, and we're gonna throw some paint on these and go accomplish dinner and come back and put them on.
D1635. Nothing but the best. Good thing we didn't need a transmission because look what happened to all
We
of
used them all.
So we got these at the Porsche pick, and it
Yes.
turns out they were less than ideal condition.
Yes, they had been sitting out. There's actually one. Look at it, it's eating away. The magnesium's eating away on it completely.
So rather than have them restored as transmissions, what do you do with them?
So what I do is I cut the bell housing off and we make Volkswagen engine start stands.
Right,
So you can remote start your Volkswagen.
he'll put a starter in there and everything you need
Yep.
to bench run your Volkswagen
Yeah.
motor.
It is time to accomplish, well today, not lunch, but dinner. Supper.
All right, so Gary, you're cleaning out shards of brake drum.
Yeah, whatever little pieces that are left on here.
What a mess.
So I bought one.
There we go. Can somebody put this in neutral? It spins and it kind of.
Definitely neutral.
Why is it catching like that?
Tell me to turn the other side.
Yeah, it's spinning good. But this side doesn't want to spin that good. Look.
That's the broken side.
Small mod, not one ton option.
All right, so Gary went to the stock. It's in stock.
We're gonna go with these with the flange on the side. Clean and ready to rock and roll. Well, it's showtime.
Huh. Is this a showstopper? Huh?
Ta-da!
Ta and
Look at that. And fancy.
you can get the earthquake on it. It's got some huevos. It'll go.
This-
In fact, you maybe like I was doing it on mine.
Where did you get this thing?
Harbor Freight.
Just juice it on there and
Oh, it's gonna go.
it's
In fact-
it'll do 250?
Oh no, it does like 500.
Well, I don't want that much.
Is it on the front? It doesn't have an adjuster.
It doesn't have an adjuster on it. I know you said that, but it doesn't.
What do we just
I mean, it's got some.
hold it? How far do I keep going?
I don't know. I didn't know mine, and I just kept on going. I was like, I don't know if I go very far, but I'll go some more.
Here, you do it.
No, I went crazy with mine because mine is racing.
How many Wugga Duggas?
All right, we'll do one more notch.
You ain't never getting that off without Tommy coming over.
That thing is on there. All right, cotter pin's going in. All right, time for the earthquake.
The earthquake.
All right, how many Wugga Duggas?
It's never coming off.
All right, now we're adjusting the brake pads back out, and maybe we'll give it a little test drive. How many foot-pounds there, Gary?
75, boss.
75. No more, no less.
75, 76, whatever this job done. Oh, I feel like Cinderella. Oh, where's my date to the ball?
Cinderella, Jake.
Where's the glass slipper? Oh, there we go. Oh, that's not good. All right, so what are we doing? Wasn't even in there, was it? Oh, you got him now.
Yeah, it's working now.
Yeah.
Just wasn't seated all the way.
Turn signal. Just wasn't seated, huh?
Bum, bum, bum.
It moved. You see it just melt off the brake.
What are we doing now?
Well, we're gonna raise it up and watch that that thing move back and forth.
Oh, wow.
God dang. Oh yeah.
Hey, hold up.
All right, AJ. Like that? A bent axle?
I mean, someone could have hit it.
No, but have you seen it?
No, but I've heard about it.
If you really want to try to see if it's the axle, we'll get the torque monster out. We'll take the axle, that nut off, take the drum off completely, and then just start it without any of that.
We're going back in.
We know for sure it's not a bent rim.
Yeah, well,
That's taken out of the equation.
It's not a bent rim.
Yeah,
Confirmed.
Bent rim is not what it is.
that drum wibble wobble's crazy.
Okay. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, the old drum is back on. We're gonna look for wobble.
Start it up.
Okay.
Stop.
Well, it's like an alternator when it's not doesn't have a belt on it. You're like, oh, this is fine. Then when it puts tension on it, then that's when it starts grinding on the bearing and everything else.
Yeah. It's gotta be the axle. We just replaced the drum. It does it with 2 drums.
There's not going to be 2 drums in there.
Not exactly the same.
Because it
And
wasn't.
that drum
it
was
wasn't
fine
wobbly.
on the other side.
Yeah.
Well, leave us a comment if you've seen this wobble before on a bent axle.
Well, the good news is we had a good rescue. It's probably the easiest rescue ever. We just pushed it right up on the trailer. Matt Jackson came and saved me, and we came over here, and Martin was already here, and off we went. We got Spot back here, and we all came, and Tommy got here, and then Jay got here, and we jumped in there, and it was, we go, hey, it's not the transmission, it's the drum. And then we got everything back together, and we put it in there, and it's got, we're not exactly 100% sure, but all signs are pointing to the fact that we got a bent axle.
Right, we might have a bent axle. If you guys have any other input on that, leave it in the comments. Tommy thinks it's a bent axle, so we're gonna proceed with that, right?
Boing.
That's for absolutely possibly a certain ability.
Yeah,
Sure.
That's for certain sure. we were going to be really snazzy and like say, okay, this is going to be like the best episode ever because we're actually going to get shit done. Stuff done. We thought we were going to get it done and like, look, they fixed something. It's,
Oh, VW lights.
So we did. I mean, you could. It was drivable because I've been driving it like that. It just kind of goes to the wayward home of Volkswagens for a while. It's going to sit back here in the
Ziggy
back.
Spot.
Yeah, when it gets to this is like the new death spot.
Spots and Ziggy Spot.
Oh man! Thank y'all for joining us. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. This is VW Life, and it's finest right here. This is what happens. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and check out some of our merchandise. We got some really cool stuff out there.
Yeah, we're gonna open a new storefront. It's called All Metric Garage.
All Metric Garage.
Yep, you'll be able to get all your stuff there. We're doing a discount code on there. When you get on there, you buy 2 shirts, you get $5 off or something like that. So, and the quality's great. So, that's our new thing, and we'll have more control and be able to upload more stuff for everybody.
Yes, the selection of our store is just amazing. So All Metric Garage is gonna be, it's awesome. Can't wait for you guys to check it out. Order some new merch from us. That's for sure. So make sure you check that out. Like and subscribe, and
See you guys later.
thanks,
Tell your
everybody.
aunts and uncle.